Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I'm pretty sure you will agree with me that we are in the middle of the winter time. My town has blanked with snow and it really doesn't happen much often. Hence, it inspired me to paint something snowy, ideal the snowy countryside, because it is missing me to just go for a walk freely. For this painting I'm going to use only a few watercolors and the list you can find in the description box. There is also the link with the reference painting, and today it will be without the outlining template. Firstly, fix the paper on the table with the pieces of soft tape on both sides. Then I'm going just sketching some scenery. I'm using the graphite pencil F to make fine lines. I'm drawing some short slope, some shadows, and there will be the snowy part. Then I stop the tree, only the tree trunk. I will be paint the branches later. In this part, don't forget on perspectives rules. What is close to us is bigger than what is behind. The first trunk will be a bit bigger than the other ones. With big round brush, damp the paper behind the trees and slope. There will be the heaven. Mix the light watery blue with Davy's Grace touch into watery muted hue and drop it down. Let the colors blend with the wet surface and you can adjust it a little bit if you will see that the colors is running somewhere out. There will be some misty green forest with blurry outlines of the trees in the middle of the scenery. Mix the subgreen with emerald green into watery dark hue and put the color down to the middle part and along the slope's edge. I add some contrast part and then with the brush strokes I create some blurry forest, grass and trees. I just let the colors to mix up. Add some contrast along the slope line with bright subgreen. Let it dry. Mix the subgreen with emerald green into dark hue and start with a long brush stroke paint the tree. I'm painting the branches with thin brush number 2 and with short strokes at the right angle to the tree trunk. Don't forget, at the ground are the branches longer than on the top. The tree must seem like such a triangle. Below the second tree, pull down a bit the watery green color to bold the slope and settle down the tree. Wash the color with the wet clean brush to make it soft. With a wet clean brush, I'm wetting the part next to the first tree and in front and part to create a perspective illusion. With watery blue, I add some shadows as a snowy slope and with the thin strokes, paint the pieces of winter grass freely. that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my today's video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more tutorials, and you can check my Instagram if you want to. And see you soon. Bye! Mwah!